SlamBall Season 2 heats up. James Willis and the Riders are taking it to stand Shakes Fletcher in the steel. Let's just say they won't be sharing a wine cooler after the game. SlamBall, we play up here. Riders versus Steel tonight at 11:05, only on Spike TV.
When I'm training, I need to be at my best. And when it's time to get serious, that's when I need to get back to basics. So when I'm looking for a serious boost of energy, I need to feel the sting. Stacker 2 YJ Stinger.
Extreme boost of energy in 3 great flavors, you gotta feel the sting. YJ Stinger, made exclusively by the manufacturers of Stacker 2, the world's strongest pepper.
YJ Stinger, feel the sting.
Attention summer travelers. With fares as low as $15 and buses rolling 24/7, Greyhound is the way to travel without the wear and tear on your car. Whoops, that's gonna cost them. Go Greyhound and leave the driving to us.
Is your peanut butter bar in the mix?
The 1-1 to Boone, and a shot! Deep to left field! It will!
Yeah, talk to you later.
Mariners baseball. Viva la mojo.
This is really nice. Don't even think about it, Brett.
If you're not helping after-school programs, you're really helping to take them away. After-school programs, wouldn't you rather be helping?
Every family in America should prepare itself for a terrorist attack. You can learn how on our new website. You can call for a brochure. Terrorism forces us to make a choice. We can be afraid, or we can be ready.
Shaq, tell me what you really think of the sport.
It's a lot of aerialisticness, a lot of contact, a lot of slamming. It's a great sport. It's fun to watch, and I like Spike TV.